Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete the data in dictionary. Okay, so in a dictionary we can either remove an individual item or the entire dictionary. So let me show you how to remove the item first. Okay, so just you need to write, let's clear this up. You need to write the del function and then dictionary name, and then you need to write the key value, okay, key which you want to delete. So I want to delete is, fine. So now if I run it, so now you can see here name John, hobby dancing. So this is 34 is deleted. Okay, so this is how you remove the item with key is from the dictionary. Now you can also remove the entire dictionary using the same del statement. Okay, just you need to write del and then the name of the dictionary. This line will just delete the whole your dictionary. Fine. Now instead of deleting the entire dictionary, we can also just remove all the items and empty the dictionary. So to do so, we need to use clear function. Okay, so just go ahead and to clear all the dictionary, all the values of dictionary, just write the name of this and then clear function you need to write. Fine. Now let's go ahead and let's run it. So you can see here the brushes only are there. So here all the items are being cleared up. Okay, so this is how you delete the data, remove the individual item or the entire dictionary. You can delete it, or you just can clear the items of the dictionary. Okay, so this is our last video of our Python. Learn and enjoy this Python course. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next course, and thank you for being with us.